Jokanyo mag ODM bende dwaro kombe mabende opogore kod otieko nero mar ODM e kaunti ma Nairobi e wuod nero ma Lakisama. Koro dwaro mondo welo mabende ne otime kaunti ma Nairobi e gwenge go mondo wit oko kendo tim yiero manyien. Jogo bende koro lieko ni welo mabende ne otima ne ok otime e yo nero ma oyanga.
Other aspirants from Lakisama ward tuko hapa because of the nomination exercise that happened in Lakisama on Friday. Now we have come here to bring our plea and also a request for the right action to be taken, because on Friday there was nomination of ODM in Lakisama ward, and the exercise began well in the morning. Although we had challenges because we didn't have information of what was to happen. We were not even told who are the agents, what the returning officers were. So the exercise continued. There are many intimidations and issues that were happening on the ground that were not actually in regard to election exercise. There were a group of young people that were moving around in groups. But I want to be specific on what happened at almost 1 o'clock. I was in the polling station of Tiba Primary. Then this aspirant by the name Victor Ochola, alias Oringo, came with a team. Then I saw the movement that was happening, and I even informed the police that I think things were not okay. So what happened, there was a group of, there was also another aspirant by the name Eric Owino, who started pushing around. Then there was that commotion with the police. Then when he was pushed around, a group of about 40 young people came in, started disrupting the exercise. Then this gentleman by the name Ringo grabbed the gadget from one of the clerks, or I think it was the returning officer, started running away with him. There was a push with the police, but this guy managed to run away with those gadgets. We followed up when we went to the police station. Unfortunately, later the guy appeared with the gadget at the police station. So what is very unfortunate is that after all those events, violence, whatever had happened, the exercise only closed at 1 o'clock. When we went to the tallying center at Cooperative House, Cooperative University, it was very unfortunate that we tried to talk to the returning officer to inform him what happened, that it was not possible to announce those results because the exercise is not complete. And the guy that we wanted to announce is the one even who caused the violence and even ran away with the gadget. The guy could not even listen to us. They decided to announce the winner, which was totally against the ODM regulation, because even the rules that were given, any person who participated in violence was supposed to be disqualified. So that these two gentlemen who caused the disturbance during the nomination exercise. So our appeal is that election should be disqualified, should be nullified, and the election, the National Election Tribunal, to give us a way forward, because we cannot agree such a shambolic exercise to be regarded as an election or rather as a nomination exercise in Lakisama ward. So one of our plea, we are here with other aspirants and others. We had spoken to them. We have done our petition at the election board. I think they'll be listening to it this at 5 p.m. today. So our plea is that exercise should be disqualified. No, the person by the name Victor Ochola should be disqualified from that exercise, because even the clerks were recruited from Lakisama. There were his people who were actually carrying out the exercise. So we want that thing to be investigated and the right information to be brought, so that at least we have justice in Lakisama.
Sir Kennedy Duruna Rumba, one of the aspirants in Lakisama on the past exercise which was conducted on Friday 22nd. So my plea is that whatever was carried out, it started well in the morning, then the exercise went up to by around noon. Then there were fracas which erupted. After then, one of the aspirants took the gadget and he ran with it to the police station. So the guy was arrested and the tallying was done of which even most of the aspirants did not concur with that, because while the announcement for the results was being done, the gadgets were still at the custody of the police. I think until to date, they have not been verified. So this is our plea, because what we want is a democracy in Lakisama. Our people are really crying for that democracy. So this is why we are stating that let the authority have measures so that we can eradicate this, so that we can be in good books. Our people requires democracy from their organ. That is our plea.
I want to state that I was around at the Tipa polling station when the fracas began. And they were even shooting around. The young people started engaging the police in battle. They were throwing stones. So I know one of the guy was shot. He's currently is at Kenyatta National Hospital. So he's nursing serious injuries. And as you are saying, some of those people were from outside. Others were from, they're just boys from our area that we know. So what we are saying, we need to actually condemn such exercise, because most of these young boys are mostly used to cause violence, and it's our prayer that something should be done, because the party is aware of that.